Hello travelers! Today, we're diving into the features of the 24-inch Hardside Suitcase, a lightweight and durable travel companion designed to make your journeys more comfortable and stress-free. This suitcase offers extra expandable space, increasing its capacity by 20% to accommodate all your travel essentials and souvenirs. Equipped with 360-degree double spinner wheels, it glides effortlessly, providing you with smooth and easy maneuverability. The telescoping handle, with its push-button locking mechanism, adjusts to 3 different heights, ensuring comfort for travelers of all sizes. For added security, the built-in TSA combination lock allows only TSA agents to inspect your luggage without causing any damage, keeping your belongings safe and secure. And with a reliable 2-year warranty, you can travel with confidence, knowing that our dedicated after-sales team is ready to assist you with any concerns. So, pack your bags and embark on your next adventure with peace of mind, knowing that this suitcase has got you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.